Preeti?
I'm good, sir, but little bit hesitation.
Little bit hesitation.
Because it is my first podcast with you.
Okay, that's great. Today I'm feeling like a great star. I'm taking the interview of many great personalities on this platform. So, how do you feel English in your life? Means, how do you say English in your life?
In my life, English is most important for me because in future I have to do some work. That work, English is important. So I take English so hardly.
Do you really think learning English is difficult?
It is not difficult, but it is not easy. Some students take time to learn English, and some students learn quickly. Everyone is different.
What do you want to say about sometimes a child is targeted in the society or in any group because of his color or because of his ability to study, many other reasons. What do you want to say about it? A child is targeted means what happens? All kids unite and they target one child for everything.
In my manner, we should not target to one child that he or she is fatty and black. Everyone has uniqueness. Everyone has a unique thing that he will do, she will do. So we should not judge just for his color, his personality.
What's your stand about that every child should get a queen treatment or a prince treatment?
If a child deserve it, if a child
But how can you say a child deserves or not? Every child is naughty, then you will say you don't deserve, don't go to school.
no sir, some child do nothing for their parents
What they want.
what they want. Sometimes parents do not give prince and princess treatment for her child.
Do you think we should scold our kids?
No. Sometimes it is necessary to scold our child, but not every time.
Are you scolded by your parents?
Little bit.
Okay, tell honestly, when were you scolded last time and for what?
I think today.
Just before coming here.
I scolded at when I was ready for coming here.
Okay, just before this podcast you were
Yes, sir.
scolded. For what?
My father said to me that you will make for us snacks, but it is time. It is time.
I was getting it.
Okay, it was my time to go for institute.
It was time to go for my institute, but still I made for his snacks. After that I came here and I 20 minutes late for snacks.
Okay, because of snacks.
Yes.
Priya parents ji, your daughter is backbiting on the international level. Do you think your parents will be very disappointed if you share something about them?
No sir.
Okay, how is your bond with your parents?
My bond with my parents is good but my bond with my brothers is not good. They always call me that you will do this work, but I don't want to do this work, but still they want to
They want me to do same.
yes.
Okay. Do you think girls get less freedom comparison to boys?
No. Girl must have same freedom as like boy, but sometimes girls take
They misuse.
they misuse of freedom. Girl must know that I have a freedom. I do not cross the limit. I do not misuse that freedom. That society will give you same freedom.
How will you stay off yourself from intoxicated things in the corporate world? Because it is common. Intoxication is common. So how will you stay off such thing in future? Or will you also start?
No, sir. I will. In future, I stay in toxication.
I will stay or I will stay off?
I will stay off
Intoxication.
things.
I don't care much.
I don't care much about toxic people or toxication things. I just do my work, and I only focus my work. I will focus only my work.
I have heard many girls, even boys, especially girls, they say once in a life I just want to drink.
About me?
No, I'm asking, like, what kind of fantasy is this? Once in a life I want to drink. Why? You should also take poison once in a life.
I also heard this line. Some boys and also girls want to drink once in a life.
Do you have such fantasy to drink once in a life? Means wish.
Wish.
Urge.
I have no fantasy that type of thing. I just do good thing in my life because everyone know me that she is a good girl and she will not do any wrong things. So I will prove myself that I will not do that type of thing.
Pratishtha.
Yes, sir.
Well and clap.